Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's update video here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $19,712. 24-hour volume, we are down 3.46%, and market cap, we are down 2.66%. Over to our chart here on a weekly time frame, you guys, we are still testing and monitoring our head and shoulders chart pattern itself, but we can see that we've got heavy selling pressure, and we're going to take a look at that in various time frames here. But essentially, we are going to be coming down and retesting our support zone at 18,500. We can see the RSI itself is initiating or has initiated a buy order. However, again, the volume itself is not supported in this uptrend for the RSI. So we are looking for shorter trades in smaller time intervals. Even though the RSI itself is considered back here as oversold, it doesn't really give us enough for a reversal or retesting this resistance line at 25,000 because our MACD indicator is below our 0%. Until it retraces back to 0% here, then we are going to look into more of a reversal for Bitcoin. But essentially in this bear market, we are still playing in areas of key supports. Taking a look on our daily chart here, you guys, we can see already the RSI is coming down. Our K line, which is the white line, at 1%, and then our D line is at 12%. Essentially, when these two retrace lower than 20%, we are considered to be oversold, and an opportunity for the price to retrace closer up to an area of resistance is more likable. If we take a look here previous from my video from yesterday, we anticipated that we were going to close at near the bottom, getting rejected from our 20 MA or moving average line here, essentially treated as resistance and support, and we are all the way down here. So next line of support, you guys, we can see again a few of our candlesticks retrace down to this level at 19,500. We have already reached that area in today's low, which essentially is testing another area of support. And unfortunately, if we do break through this, then watch out for the next retracement level here at 19,100. If we do take a look quickly on our MACD indicator at the very bottom here, we can see that we are getting lighter in the color, meaning that the trend itself is slowly coming down and near in an area of support. As soon as it flicks over to the red and we do see huge histograms or bars in the red, the momentum for the bear and sell-off is very strong and essentially going to be breaking this area of support and retracing even further down. Heading over to our 2-hour time interval, you guys, I'm not going to do 30 minutes here. What we can see, these candlesticks here are bouncing from an area of support here at 19,600. If we scroll over to the left-hand side, we're going to see that this area was also a tested support number back here on September 4th and early September until it dropped on September 6th. And that price came down as low as 18,900. So we could possibly repeat the same phase that we did earlier on this month by essentially continuing to retest this area of support. And if we are continuously retesting this, it's most likely going to break down and come down again at 19,100. If we take a look at the RSI, there is still some room on a shorter time frame for the price to come up, but most likely we're going to be capped up at the 19,900, depending on the momentum measured by our MACD indicator. As we can see, these bars and grounds are getting smaller, so the volume itself is not matching the volume that we're getting and the aggression that or lack of aggression from our MACD indicator. So again, if price does pump up, you guys, and we see a huge price and volume in our 2-hour time frames, then we could possibly come up to the 19,900. It is quite optimistic, but if we do have our MACD indicator getting bigger in the volume and bigger in the bars, then that would be more ideal and more realistic. But so long as we see these two lines getting closer together, then essentially it is warning us that the trend itself may soon be over. So that is my video here, you guys, for Bitcoin. Let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of people are saying that Bitcoin is going to crash. We are testing multiple areas of support and maybe soon coming near the end of September, going early in November, and might see that crash here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe and comment down below, but I'll see you next time.